Welcome back to Sparkburn Hot Rod. So this is a 1974 Plymouth Duster. We purchased it to donate to a friend of ours. It's a compilation of 3 shops, maybe 4-ish if you count some. We just redid it all. Basically, we had to do a lot of metal work to this thing. We got it back, we realized it needed roof skin, and then we realized it needed a floor pan, and it just follow along on the little journey. I'm sorry there's not a whole bunch of video, but the car turns out really good. I hope you enjoy.
Here at Sparkburn. Very bulletproof. Welding and again. All that fabrication.
Welcome to Sparkburn Hot Rod's YouTube channel.
What are you doing, Jeff?
What?
What are you doing?
I'm finding taking the floor out.
Right now, Jack is mixing primer for the 1974 Duster.
The gold Duster.
It's now going to be orange. But he's doing the last prime on the Bate. So after this, it'll be wet sanded-ish and sprayed with all the love and care that Jack can give it. Right here, Jack is applying seam sealer to make it look factory because the seam sealer wasn't any good, so he just took a woolly booger and knocked it off and re-seam sealed. So right here, Jack is mixing single stage. What we used was a rival, so he did basically 2-3 coats of single stage, and then we cocktail blended clear over the top so we could color sand and polish it after it was dry. Duster Sunday. Little sandblast, time to paint black with Emeron. So the Duster chassis is getting some Emerons 3.5 HG. That'd be really nice. It's 6-to-1. I'll keep you posted. 6-to-1. Let's go to about right there. We went to I believe the 4s. Nope, we went to the 7s. Okay. next up, grab hardener. Okay, get the lid off hardener, said luck. Ugh. Jiminy Christmas. Here. Okay, maybe I can use this. I look professional. Okay. I can't even touch my face because I got this crap all over me. All right, 6 to 1. We're to the 7s. Blip, 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 blip. Blip, 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 blip. Okay. 7. All right. Now we gotta add a little underlay sauce, which is accelerator, or this stuff will take about 6 weeks to dry. Not really, but it takes a little while. Go fast. Devil open. Okay, this is accurate measurements. Only done in NASA. One more for good luck. Don't freak out. It's a lot, but it'll work.